Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is deranged. It is pronounced deranged, and it is spelt D-E-R-A-N-G-E-D. Think D-E, and then ranged. Deranged means someone who is mentally unstable. It's a way to describe someone who has lost touch with reality and is behaving in an abnormal or unpredictable way. For example, you could say, the criminal was deranged and had no motive for the crime. Or, he was dark, deranged, and dangerous. The word deranged comes from the old French word déranger, which means to throw out of order or to disturb. Therefore, the literal meaning of deranged is to be thrown out of order or to be in a disturbed state, often referring to mental disorder or insanity. The character Miss Trunchbull in Matilda by Roald Dahl is a cruel and deranged headmistress. She is mean and often uses extreme and deranged methods to discipline her students. Synonyms for deranged include mentally unstable, disturbed, irrational, and unbalanced. Antonyms for deranged are sane, rational, and stable. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, deranged. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.